Okay. Good evening, teacher. My name is Sandra Elizabeth Romero de Flores. I talk about the water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies with lakes, rivers, oceans, and aquifers, and groundwater. This form of environmental degradation, okay, is the water pollution affect the entire biosphere, plant, the organisms living in these bodies of water. Water pollution is major global problem. For example, in countries with India, China, people die 50, 180 every day because of different diseases, okay? In El Salvador, also is big problem, the water pollution. Your lakes and rivers, they are contaminated. It is estimated that 90% of the surface contamination in El Salvador, okay? Thank you, teacher.
Next.
Next.
Ronnie, you are the next.
Okay. Well, my name is Ronald Alexander Gomez Reyes. I'm gonna talk about what are the causes of the contamination. Well, there are so many causes of the contamination, and one of them is the deforestation. The deforestation nowadays is one of the most important ways to to the pollution of the water. For example, when we cut a tree, we are developing the pollution of the water, because if we don't sow so many trees in those areas, it's going to make the erosion, and that's a big problem for the planet. One of the other pollution of the water is the wastewater. For example, when in a factory, they use so many water, and then the industry and the government have the destiny to that water to the sea, and I guess that is a kind of pollution, not only for here the cities, also with the ocean. There are another kind of pollution of the water, and I don't remember, is the chemical. The chemical is another. For example, in Japan, there are so many nuclear plants, and in there, they are trying to make some energy, but they use water, and there are material that it is radioactive, and that is going to make the pollution of the water. And that's all my part. Thank you. Who's the next?
Okay, hello. Hello, teacher. My name is Jorge Steven Lopez Pineda. I'm going to continue talk about our topic, the water pollution. One of the contamination is the garbage in the water. A lot of people don't understand that the water can do a lot of problems to our environment, and also to our children. Sorry, the children, for that reason, have a lot of sickness. one example is like El Zika. Um, this produce the contamination produce a lot of sickness. For that reason, the people don't understand, and also the companies, they throw the garbage uh, to the water, like for example, in the sea, um, in the rivers, in the lakes. That is a very serious problem because this produce, um, for example, that a lot of people can um, dead for the contamination. Um, so that's it. Thank you so much.
Next.
Reina?
Good evening, and I will continue with the topic, the water pollution. And in this case, I will talk about what pollutes the water. Well, the water pollutes, for example, bacteria, viruses, protozoals, parasites that enter the water from organic waste that require oxygen. Organic waste can be composed by bacteria that use oxygen to biodegrade them. If there are large population of this bacteria, they can despite oxygen from the water, thus kill aquatic life forms. Organic chemicals, acids, compounds of toxic material, metal, mercury, possession water. Malnutrition can use excessive growth of aquatic plants that then die and decompose, depleting oxygen from the water and thus organic chemicals, petroleum, plastic, pesticides, life, threatening detergents, sediments, or suspended matter, insoluble soil, particles that cloud the water and are the major source of contamination. Of these things that I mentioned, we the cause is for the human, and because the human throw the garbage in whatever place, and also they can spill uh, oils, tanker, and it causes effect in the ocean. That is all.
Well, teacher, and I guess that's the end of our video conference presentation. And we can thank you for your attention. Thanks.